chiropractic. Well, for me, it's life. It is a lifestyle, and it's the philosophy of balance and staying healthy. And as not only as a chiropractor, but I live this stuff. I want to get adjusted. I get adjusted like 3 times a week, to be honest. But it's a lifestyle. Like you literally, just like going to the dentist, brushing your teeth. It's just part of life. So I've been a chiropractor, professionally licensed for 17 years, and then 3 or 4 years in clinics, so almost 20 years, and been a chiropractor, and I absolutely love it. I love working on everyone. Kids are my favorite of it, I guess I would say, but I love adjusting people and the magic that happens when people feel that release, and it's just so exciting. I took a little transition period. We focused on kind of the coaching of my practice, and I came back because God kind of put an opportunity in front of me. If I'm being honest, I wasn't really even looking until it just showed up, and then I was like, "Whoa, I love chiropractic. I love adjusting," but I didn't know I would have an option to do it in a setting like this, where you've got a rock star team, and I can just roll in and just be me. And so I'm excited about it. I think that I'm most excited about the unknown of being in practice every day when you're dealing with people. You just don't know what's coming in, how someone's going to be feeling, and I love the energy of a practice, the energy of a day when you've got a family or you've got a kid or somebody's struggling, and then this helps them in ways that they didn't even know could. So I think just that vibe